Investing is a journey, not a destination. It involves a series of stages, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. Understanding these stages can help you navigate the world of investing more effectively and build wealth over time. Here are the 5 stages of investing. *****1. Foundation stage. The first stage of investing is all about building a solid financial foundation. Before you even consider investing, it's crucial to establish an emergency fund, pay off high-interest debt, and create a budget that allows you to save consistently. This stage also involves setting clear financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a home or funding your child's education. ***2. Learning stage. In this stage, you start to educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. You read books, attend seminars, and follow financial news to gain a better understanding of the financial markets. It's essential to have a strong knowledge base before you move on to the next stage. ***3. Beginner investor stage. Once you've acquired some knowledge, you're ready to take your first steps as an investor. This often involves opening a brokerage account and starting to invest in assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. During this stage, it's crucial to diversify your investments and develop a basic investment strategy. ***4. Intermediate investor stage. As you gain experience and confidence, you move into the intermediate investor stage. Here, you refine your investment strategy, fine-tune your portfolio, and explore more advanced investment options. You may consider asset allocation, risk management, and tax-efficient investing strategies. This stage often involves a deeper dive into investment research and analysis. ***5. Advanced investor stage. The advanced investor stage is for those who have accumulated substantial wealth and are looking for more sophisticated investment opportunities. This might include investing in alternative assets like real estate, private equity, or venture capital. You may also explore advanced tax planning and estate planning strategies to preserve and grow your wealth. Each stage of investing comes with its unique set of challenges and opportunities. The key is to progress through these stages deliberately and patiently, aligning your investment decisions with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Keep in mind that it's normal to revisit earlier stages, especially during times of financial upheaval or when your goals change. Remember that investing is not a one-size-fits-all journey. Your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial goals will shape your path through these stages. It's essential to continuously educate yourself, stay disciplined, and seek professional advice when needed to make informed investment decisions. The 5 stages of investing provide a roadmap for building and growing your wealth over time. By following this journey and adapting your strategies as you progress, you can work towards achieving your financial goals and securing a more prosperous future.